Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something huge. We're talking about making money online. And get this, you don't need any experience to start. That's right, you heard me. Whether you're a student, just working from home, or looking for a side hustle, these 7 methods are perfect for anyone with an internet connection and a little bit of hustle. We're going to break down each method step by step, so even if you've never made $1 online, you'll be a pro by the end of this video. So are you ready to learn how to pad your bank account without ever leaving your house? Because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Let's do it! Alright guys, next up is something even easier than freelance writing. I'm talking about getting paid for your opinion. That's right, you can actually make money just by sharing your thoughts on stuff. It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. There are tons of websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie that will pay you to take surveys, watch videos, and even shop online. It's like getting paid to surf the web. Imagine getting rewarded for doing things you already do every day. Signing up is super easy and only takes a few minutes. You don't need any special skills or qualifications. You create a profile, answer some questions about yourself, and then boom, you're ready to start earning. You'll start getting matched with surveys that fit your interests. The more surveys you take, the more money you can make. Now let me tell you more about these awesome platforms, Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. They are user-friendly and have a variety of ways to earn. These are 2 of the biggest and most reputable survey sites out there, and they've already paid out millions of dollars to their users. You can trust them to pay you on time. You're not going to get rich taking surveys, but it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Think of it as a fun side hustle. Plus, it's kind of fun to share your opinion and get rewarded for it. You get to influence products and services you use every day. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or redeem them for gift cards to your favorite stores. It's flexible and convenient. So if you're looking for a simple and fun way to make money online, definitely check out online surveys. It's a no-brainer. Give it a try and see how much you can earn. Alright guys, ever thought about turning your crafting hobby into cold hard cash? I'm talking about selling those awesome handmade goods online. And the best part, you don't need to be a business genius to make it happen. We're talking about Etsy, the ultimate online marketplace for all things handmade. Jewelry, clothes, home decor, whatever you're creating, Etsy's the place to be. Imagine people from all over the world checking out your creations. That awesome necklace you made, it could be on its way to someone in Paris right now. And the best part is, you get to set your own prices. So, channel your inner entrepreneur and get ready to rake in some serious dough. Yo, what if I told you there's a way to make money just by talking about stuff you love? No, seriously, it's called affiliate marketing, and it's like turning your recommendations into a money-making machine. Think about it. You're already telling your friends about that awesome new phone you got or that amazing book you just finished. With affiliate marketing, you can get paid for those recommendations. How? Easy. You partner with companies and promote their products on your blog, social media, or even just in casual conversation. And every time someone buys something through your unique affiliate link, boom, you earn. Alright guys, ever thought about turning your crafting hobby into cold hard cash? I'm talking about selling those awesome handmade goods online. And the best part, you don't need to be a business genius to make it happen. We're talking about Etsy, the ultimate online marketplace for all things handmade. Jewelry, clothes, home decor, whatever you're creating, Etsy's the place to be. Imagine people from all over the world checking out your creations. That awesome necklace you made, it could be on its way to someone in Paris right now. And the best part is, you get to set your own prices. So, channel your inner entrepreneur and get ready to rake in some serious dough. Yo, what if I told you there's a way to make money just by talking about stuff you love? No, seriously, it's called affiliate marketing, and it's like turning your recommendations into a money-making machine. Think about it. You're already telling your friends about that awesome new phone you got or that amazing book you just finished. With affiliate marketing, you can get paid for those recommendations. How? Easy. You partner with companies and promote their products on your blog, social media, or even just in casual conversation. And every time someone buys something through your unique affiliate link, boom, you earn a commission. Ever wished you could be in two places at once, like managing your own schedule while helping others crush their to-do lists? Well, guess what? With the power of the internet, you can. It's time to become a virtual assistant, the superhero of the digital world. No more stuffy offices, no more rigid schedules. As a virtual assistant, you're the boss of your own time. And the best part? You can offer your skills in tons of areas, managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, even bookkeeping. If you're organized, reliable, and love tackling tasks, becoming a VA could be your ticket to online income freedom. Now you might be thinking, but Mr. Beast, how do I find these people who need a virtual sidekick? Easy! There are tons of websites dedicated to connecting VAs with clients. We're talking about platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, even LinkedIn. It's like a virtual job fair, where you can showcase your skills and find the perfect match. And the best part is, you get to choose the clients and projects that interest you. So whether you're passionate about marketing, social media, or just love organizing chaos, there's a VA gig out there with your name on it. Being a virtual assistant is all about flexibility, freedom. Alright guys, are you ready to unleash your inner Einstein and make some serious cash? Because today we're diving into a world where your knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. I'm talking about online tutoring. Yes, you heard that right. The digital age has revolutionized education, and you can be at the forefront of this exciting change. This isn't your grandma's dusty old classroom. This is the future of education, and you can be a part of it. Imagine a classroom without walls, where you can teach anyone, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're a math whiz, a grammar guru, or a science savant, or you can explain the history of the universe like it's nobody's business, there's a student out there who needs your help, and is willing to pay for it. There's a massive demand for knowledge, and with the right platform, you can tap into this goldmine. Imagine the satisfaction of helping someone understand a complex topic while earning money. We're talking about platforms like VIP Kid, where you can connect with students from all over the world. These platforms make it easy to find students who need your expertise. Imagine teaching English to kids in Japan, or helping someone ace their calculus exam from the comfort of your own home. It's like teleportation, but instead of transporting yourself, you're transporting knowledge. The beauty of online tutoring is that it breaks down geographical barriers. You can reach students in different time zones, cultures, and backgrounds, enriching your own experience as well. Or helping someone ace their calculus exam from the comfort of your own home. It's like teleportation, but instead of transporting yourself, you're transporting knowledge. And the best part? You get paid for it. Think about it, guys. You can turn your passion for teaching into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career, and the best part? You get paid for it. Think about it, guys. You set your own hours, work from anywhere you want, and make a real difference in someone's life. You set your own hours, which means you can work around your schedule. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can find students who need your help at any time of the day. You work from anywhere you want, be it a cozy corner of your home, a bustling cafe, or even a beach. The flexibility is unparalleled, and you get to make a real difference in someone's life. The joy of seeing a student finally grasp a concept they've been struggling with is priceless. Plus, you can finally put all that useless trivia you've accumulated to good use. Remember all those random facts you know? They can actually help someone learn. No more answering every question on Jeopardy!